Seems like that anonymous tip we got to check out this warehouse was bogus.
Yeah, there's nobody here.
Cooper, you okay?
Just barely, Dawson, but I think someone's trying to kill us.
I was worried about this. My arch nemesis is here in this warehouse, and it wants to blow me up.
Who wants to blow you up?
No, not who. It. You see, the explosion is my arch nemesis. It blows up buildings, cars, and factories just trying to kill me. But at the last second, I run and jump just out of its reach. It's a deadly game we play.
That's nuts, Dawson. I think you've lost it.
The only thing I've lost is 2 good partners to the explosion.
Look, we gotta sweep this floor, so let's double back. You take that door. I'll take this one.
Cooper, you okay?
Just barely. We got a real madman on our hands.
No kidding. The explosion is mad, and it likes to work alone. Not surprising. It's a real asshole.
Look, Dawson, I don't have time for this. I'm calling for backup.
No! That's just what the explosion wants. More people to blow up. You're playing right into his hands.
Oh, so the explosion has hands.
No, you idiot! The explosion isn't a man. It's made of a loud, surprising fireball.
This is Agent Cooper requesting backup.
Oh.
That's 3 explosions. We're gonna need the bomb squad in here.
No, there's nothing those tech geeks can do. Only I know how the explosion thinks.
Oh yeah, and how's that?
A one-track mind that just wants to blow me up.
An explosion can't think, Dawson.
That's just what it wants you to think. No, the explosion is out there, just waiting to surprise us. God only knows how it moves around from place to place.
All right, where are all these explosions coming from? We gotta get somewhere safe.
The only place safe is about a mile away from me. The explosion kills everyone close to me.
Dawson, when this is over, you gotta take a long vacation, man.
I can't. The explosion doesn't believe in time off. Only going off.
God damn it! There's no such thing as an explosion that wants to kill a cop.
Cooper, look out! It's the explosion!
Oh, he got me!
Hang tight, Cooper!
I'm sorry. I didn't believe you.
You just wouldn't blow up, would ya?
I'm gonna send you back to hell, which is probably your heaven.
Any last words? I usually go with kaboom or kablooey.
It ends, not with a bang, but with a whimper.